Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students of Shia Online Quran Academy, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear students, wa mean and qalu mean they said. Line never yadkhula will enter al jannata paradise. Illa mean except man who kana be who then a Jew or Nasara a Christian. Tilka these amani yuhum are their own desires. Qul said. Remember it, dear students. Qul mean say and qalu mean they said. Hatu mean bring. Burhanakum burhana proof and kum mean your bring your proof in if kuntum you are sadiqeen truthful. Bala yes man whoever aslama submitted wajhahu his face lillahi to Allah. Wa mean and huwa mean he muhsinun is a good doer. Falahu then for him. Who mean him and fala mean then for. Ajruhu his reward in the with Rabbihi. Rabb mean Lord and he mean his Lord. Rabbihi his Lord. Wala khawfun and shall be no fear alayhim on them. Allah mean on and him mean them. Wala hum nor they yahzanun shall grieve. Dear students, inshallah it will be very easy for you if you are reciting your lesson before coming class tomorrow. Jazakallah. Mu'minin and Mu'minat, we are providing online Quran classes. If someone wants to take online classes, they can contact us. Jazakallah fi amanillah.